Alright, so what we are going to do today is we are actually going to unbox and test out the Dewalt 12v Extreme Hacksaw. Now this thing, I got this at Lowe's, and it was $130, and I also got a 3 amp hour battery, so we're actually going to put this to the test and see what the difference is between a 2 amp hour and a 3 amp hour battery. And I love 12 volt systems, so that's why I got it. I have a huge thing about 12 volt systems, but this thing is awesome though. I do have the Atomic reciprocating hacksaw, and yes, we will do a versus video between this and this just to see what the difference is in the future. And so yes, but today we are going to test this out, unbox this, test this out, look at the specs, and see how this actually performs. Should be that. Very good. Of course, it comes with instructions and warranty. It comes with 2 blades. It comes with a wood blade and a metal blade. The wood blade is 1/16 per inch, and it is, I think it's a 6-inch blade. Yep, and then it comes with a metal blade, which is 18 teeth per inch, and that is, I think, a 4-inch blade. So yeah, it comes with a 6-inch blade and a 4-inch blade. We will be putting those to the test today. That thing looks awesome. Wow. Then after that, that's it. This is tool only. This is not a kit. Look at that. That is awesome. Look at that. Wow, that's actually beefier than I thought it would be. Yeah, it's pretty fat, which is good. Like I said, it's model number DCS312, 2,800 strokes per minute. It does not say what the stroke length is. It might say that on the box. Really quick. The stroke length is 5/8 or 16 millimeters. Total tool length is 12.12 inches, and it is a total of 3.4 pounds. Sorry, 3.04 pounds. Now this thing is awesome. This thing is awesome. So I do have a battery right here. 2 amp hour battery. Battery is full. Wow, that has some speed to it. You don't feel the power though. Like when it comes to this, you just don't feel it. But that is fast though. We will see on how well this actually performs. It has a LED light right there to light up your work area. This thing is awesome. Let's do a size comparison between the Atomic. Pretty much almost the same design as the Atomic. Actually, it's pretty much the same size as the Atomic. The Atomic is a little bit fatter, and it's almost the same length. I'd say the Atomic is probably 3/4 of an inch longer. But yeah, versus video coming up in the future, just to see. I know it's apples to oranges, but just to see what the power comparison between these two are. But that's in the future. This thing's actually awesome. Remember when you work, wear gloves and safety glasses. Got mine right here. A 2 amp hour, while the 3 amp hour charges on a 2x4, is this easy. Yep, just that easy. Perfect. Alright, so 2 amp hour, we got full charge. Alright, so we are going to see what this can do. We're going to time this and let's see what happens. Now the shoe does not pivot. It's stationary, which is okay. It's better to have it be able to adjust, but it does not. We're going to do the 2x4 lengthwise first. Alright, so ready, go. Time. Now this is a brand new blade. Like I said, this is 6 teeth per inch. So we're doing it one more time. All right, so ready, go. Keep stopping. Time. All right, let's put the, maybe lengthwise is a bit too much for it. That's why it's stopping. Well, let's put the 2x4 upright. What's the bad rate? Hopefully that's 3 bars, because if it's not, then that's going to be an issue. It's at 2 bars. So I only did 2 cuts, so the battery might not last that long. All right, so ready, go. I'm not putting that much pressure on it either. Let's do one more. Alrighty, so the battery is full for the 3 amp hour. And since this relaxed for a little bit, the battery for this is at 2. So we're just going to take the 2 amp hour out, put the 3 amp hour in, and see what the time difference is. Alright, so ready, go. Alright, so there is a knot there, so we are going to do one more, right, because it's a 12 volt, you know, so as you can see, it's right there. We're going to go beyond the knot as far as what I can see. Alright, so ready, up, 1 cut, battery is still full. Alright, so ready, go. Time. There you go. Since it does come with a metal blade, let's cut some metal. A 1-inch black steel pipe. Let's see what this can do. Alright, so I believe that is tight enough. The 2 amp hour battery. Battery is at 2 bars. It's full. The battery's full enough. Alright, so ready, go. Alright, so obviously this is having issues cutting this 1-inch steel pipe. Battery is probably almost dead. Let's see if the 3 amp hour battery can finish it off. Alright, so continue. Alrighty, let's do one more cut. The battery is at 2 bars. Now, I will say this, when it comes to using this, the 12 volt, the batteries do not last that long. I did not have this issue with Hilti and Milwaukee with their 12 volt system. Alright, so ready, go. Time. What's the battery at? The battery is at 1 bar. That's bad. This takes up too much life out of the battery to do 1 cut. Now, 12 volt systems aren't made for this, but like I said, I put these tools to the extreme and I put them through stuff that they're not even meant for. And so yeah, so it's brushless. It was able to do it, and so let's do a temperature reading on this. It 80. It didn't get it didn't get warm at all. It's 80 degrees. Now, of course, this is the type of tool you will not be using this for, but this is good for like pruning trees, you know, getting branches off, cutting some 2x4s. You know, that's pretty much it. I'm not even going to bother to do a 4x4 with this because it's going to have a tough time. Not bad. I love the way that the Dewalt hacksaws feel in the hand, and it has that little curve like that. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do the unboxing and test video of this tool, and once again, the model number for this is DCS312. Ooh, that battery is hot though. That battery is hot. Battery is at 127 degrees. Battery got up to 127 degrees. So yes, DeWalt this is a message for DeWalt. With your 12-volt system, you need to make more powerful batteries with a higher amped hour. With higher amp hours. So like the 3 amp hour battery is like, people are going to use these tools for this stuff. Make a more powerful battery. You need to. This battery is seriously warm. So that's pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. This is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.